allowed to settle in a large tank which is sloped towards the middle. The solid like pieces settles at the bottom and are removed with scrubbers. Air is pumped into a classified water to help aerobatic
You have written all
bacteria
these
to
points.
grow.
I think it may be some. It will increase the length of the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Aerator वाला नहीं लिखना था.
What you are saying, aerator? The process of aeration. There is no need to write that step. I am telling you, you have to just write the 3 steps up to clarified water, where you obtain the clarified water. Clear? In the wastewater treatment plant, question number 4, that is given, there is only the 3 steps are involved in it up to the for obtaining the clarified water. Clear? So now we will discuss the chapters that we have done. Okay, we will revise them as our syllabus is now completed. Yes, only one EVE topic is left. Okay, we will do it. Okay, in the EVE topic, we just discuss about the things, okay, that are included in EVE. Clear? There will be only a discussion and question will be, one question will also be framed from it. Question answer will also be framed from that topic also. Clear? You all know that. So there are only 4 chapters in your syllabus. Okay, we have completed those chapters. So I am starting the first chapter for revising. That is the nutrition in plants. Open your chapter number 1. Yes, good. You all have opened. So coming to the nutrition in plants, what we have discussed, what was the first point that we have discussed? Can anyone tell me? Yes, Ramandeep Kaur. And can anyone tell me what was the first topic? It is given. It is written on your book.
Water nutrients.
Yes, nutrients. So these are the important components. What are the nutrients that are necessary for our growth? Okay, and what is nutrition?
And the process by which we get food for our growth.
Yes, by the process by which we take the food and it will, the energy produced, we use it. Okay, we utilize the energy to do some work. It is the process of nutrition. Clear? You can also underline it if you have not done. What is nutrition? What is nutrition? What is nutrients and what is nutrition? Okay. And there is also another term that is given, autotrophic.
Autotrophs and heterotrophs.
Yes. What is that means? Auto means
Self.
it is self. That means the organism that prepare their own food. Okay, that are called the autotrophs. For example,
Green plants.
yes, green plants. Very good. They make their own food in the presence of
Green plants.
Sunlight, water, carbon,
Sunlight, water and air.
Okay.
Sunlight.
There is a question, what are the raw materials? If I talk about one by one, only that student will answer. Yes, Vanshika.
Ma'am, sunlight, oxygen, water and chlorophyll.
I know this thing. What are the raw materials? Vanshika, I will correct. Who will correct the answer of Vanshika that I've given, that is given by? Yes, Krish.
water and
Water.
Krish. Yes, again answer.
Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide and water.
Yes, carbon dioxide and water, Vanshika. I know mostly the confusion takes place, and I know this. Okay, mostly students get confused. Okay, what are the raw materials? Carbon dioxide and water. The sunlight, the process is taken place in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. But the raw materials that are needed are water and, sorry, are carbon dioxide and, yes, Vanshika, now you will answer.
Water.
Yes, good. Okay, clear? Now, next term is heterotrophs. Yes, can anyone tell me humans are examples of autotrophs or heterotrophs? Now you want that I want that every student raise your hand. It is very easy to answer. Yes, Rohan, can you tell me? Humans are heterotrophs or autotrophs?
Heterotrophs.
Heterotrophs. Very good. We can't prepare our own food. Okay, we take the food from the plants. Yes. Can you name the process? It is very easy. Can you name the process by which plants make their own food?
Photosynthesis.
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 Also, the meaning. Photo means
Light.
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 and synthesis.
To make.
To put together.
Ma'am, to produce.
To protect. To
One by one.
combine. To put together.
Yes, to put together.
To put together.
There is no need to again repeat that question, that answer. Okay, if one student had given the answer, so you may stop there. Okay, so the next is photosynthesis, food making process in plants. So the first line is, what are the food factories of plant?
Leaves.
Same thing you are doing. Okay, now next is the concept of stomata. Just 1 minute, okay? I am drawing the figure, you will tell me. So, can you identify, Vamika, can you identify it is which type of stomata? It is open or closed?
Close to matter.
Yes, and Saisha. Yes, it is open or closed stomata?
Open.
Yes, very good. That we have done very. Yes, you remember that open and close. Okay, very good. Okay, now next is that what we call it. This part, what we call it.
Stomatal opening.
Guard cell.
Stomatal opening. Stomatal opening.
Otherwise, I will mute all the students. It is a stomatal opening. Students, also want to tell you something that I have given you a structure of stomata in the assignment, but some students have only made this diagram only, but you have to make these all three diagrams. Okay, and these are called, yes,
May I?
Pranvi.
Guard cells.
Yes, these are the guard cells. Very good. So, and the name of the green pigment that is present, yes or no, you will answer. Name the green colored pigment that is present in plants which provide green color. Your name is Anur. Yes, Preeti.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Name the green
Please
pigment.
repeat the question.
Yes. Name
Ma'am,
the green
chlorophyll.
pigment present in leaves.
Ma'am, chlorophyll.
Yes,
Chlorophyll.
chlorophyll. That is a green color pigment that is present in leaves. Okay, so what is its function? Can anyone tell me? Tanisha, can you answer what is the function of that chlorophyll? I hope you have all closed your books. It's okay. Yes, Tanisha, can you tell me the function of chlorophyll? Yes, can anyone help Tanisha?
The voice is not audible.
Okay, my voice is not audible.
It is clearly audible. Ma'am, it is clearly audible. Puri audible.
It helps to capture the energy of the sunlight.
Yes,
And has to make food.
it captures the sunlight. Okay. So, what is the ultimate source? That the source of energy for all the organism is sun. Clear? And we also have studied that the structure of cells. The cell, that is a basic unit and it is very small in size that we can't see it with naked eye. Okay, so that is a cell. Okay, and the cell is enclosed in a proper boundary and it is called the cell boundary. Sorry, cell membrane. The boundary that is enclosed over the cell, it is called the cell membrane. Clear? So, and there is also a nucleus is present at the center.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
The fluid. Tell me the name of the fluid.
Cytoplasm.
Is present.
Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm.
How the water roots get transferred to the all parts of the water from the roots downstream. Can anyone tell me?
Stem. Absorb water
With the help of stem. And stem.
into the plant. What is the question?
From the roots. Yes, it is stem, but how it reaches the stem?
Ma'am, through roots.
Ma'am, by roots.
Yep, it is. You are right. It is through roots. The exact answer I will tell you that there are small vessels. Okay, by which that it will go to the roots to the stem and then it leaves. There are. Just see the para on page number 2. It is given. Below the bujo and that shape is there, in any box is there. So water and minerals are transported to the leaves by vessels which run like pipes through the root, and then it reaches to the stem and then to the leaves. Clear? Therefore, we are revising. So, they form a continuous path or passage for the nutrients to reach the leaf. Clear? Remember this point. Underline this, that you forget this point. In future, you can also forget it. So, underline it. Pranvi? Okay. Next. And if there is no presence of light, what will happen?
None the
1 minute. Hanur, you know the answer? Manraj, you can also tell me. I know you can answer this. So if there is no light, sunlight, what will happen, Manraj?
हम photosynthesis process नहीं होएगी.
Yes, very good. So why you are not raising hand? I know that which student know the answer. You just hesitate to raise the hand. Okay, so there is no process of photosynthesis and plants can't make food. Okay, so we are also dependent on them directly or indirectly. We are dependent on them. Okay, if we also don't get any food, we can't also survive. We can't survive. Yes. So next is, in the absence of photosynthesis, life would be impossible on Earth. Yeah.
Yes.
So the next is, I'm just rubbing, just give me a minute. Reaction that is taking place in the process of photosynthesis. Please, if you don't raise your hand, I will pick randomly any student. So raise your hand.
Please repeat the question.
The reaction that takes place during what is the equation for the process of photosynthesis? Yes, Ajitesh. There is a word equation for the process. You have
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide plus
Carbon
water,
dioxide.
sunlight, chlorophyll.
Carbon dioxide
Plus water,
on the
sunlight,
arrow.
chlorophyll.
On the arrow, what we will write? Plus CO2.
Sunlight, chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
It is important. Okay.
Carbohydrate plus oxygen.
And what will be the result? Sorry.
Carbohydrate plus oxygen.
Oxygen plus carbohydrate. I am writing here. Don't get confused, okay? It is the part of arrow. You have to write over there. Okay, and what will the other product? Carbohydrates. Okay? Don't mix it. It is another thing, and it is the product that is formed. Okay? So, you have to just learn the word equation. There is no need to, what is the formula, what is its formula, how we write it. No, there is only word equation in your syllabus. Clear? So, in the process, the oxygen is released, okay? And then the carbohydrates that we obtain, it will get converted into starch. Okay, that is stored in leaves. Okay, it will then convert into starch.
And we can test it with the iodine solution.
So just 1 minute. So the carbohydrates will convert into starch and it will be stored in the plant or the leaf. Okay, in the leaves of the plant it is stored. Yes, what you are asking?
बता रहा था कि प्लांट्स में स्टार्च टेस्ट करने के लिए हम आयोडीन टेस्ट कर सकते हैं.
Yes, good. So it is the next concept. I am just coming to it. Thank you. So the next is that to test the presence of starch, what we do? The starch with iodine. Iodine is another chemical. Okay. So it will give which color? No, only that answer will, only one student will answer. Yeah, just 1 minute. So, Harjot Kaur, iodine, when we put Shivam, yes, you can answer, bache. Which color it will give?
Ma'am, purple.
It is just like blue-black color. Okay? It is bluish black. Now, the next is the leaves which are not green. They also have they other than the leaves that are not having green color. Can they do photosynthesis?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they can do photosynthesis. Students, attendance form is pasted in the chat box. You can fill your attendance. Okay. So, in the leaves that are not even green, there are large amount of red and other brown pigments are there. Okay. That will mask the green color. So, photosynthesis takes place in these
मैम
leaves
मशरूम
also.
भी डेड प्लांट से बनते हैं.
हाँ जी, डेड प्लांट से नहीं बनते. जहाँ पे there is rotten material or rotten plants and animals that decompose there, it will grow there.
I mean, takes nutrients from dead and decaying matter.
Yes, it get nutrients from the dead and decaying matter. The synthesis of plant food other than the carbohydrates. Okay, what is the percentage of nitrogen?
78.
78%.
78%.
78.
Are you sure 78 hai?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Yes, ma'am.
100% sure.
Okay, so what I am about to okay, nitrogen. Yes, I am on nitrogen. That now the plants can't take the direct nitrogen. Okay, it is useful for plants, but they can't take the direct nitrogen. Okay, so how they can take that nitrogen?
Rhizobium
Ma'am,
bacteria.
There is a bacteria which is named as rhizobium, which convert that atmospheric nitrogen, that the nitrogen present in the atmosphere to the it converts into
Soluble form.
into a soluble form. Yes, into a soluble form so that plant can take it. Okay, so in this way the plants get nitrogen. Clear?